Hello, welcome back. How you guys doing? You want to see how I shape this soup? Follow me. Come, let's cook it together. I added some palm oil, some vegetable oil, onion, and I'll give it a quick stir. Now I add in my tomato plump. I stir it together again. So I added in my bush meat and I stir together again, guys. So I added all my proteins. I have different proteins in here, stockfish, all the fish, all the meat are in here. I gave it a quick stir. So I added my bayleaf, salt, some seasoning powder, some onion powder, some ginger powder or garlic powder. So I stirred and I covered it and cooked it for 20 minutes. So here it is. And I'm going to give it another quick stir. So I'll add in my okro. If you want to see how I shape this okro, check on my channel below and you will see the video on how I prep the okro. So I added in my vegetable spinach and now I'm going to stir my returnees. Thank you for always returning. My new subscribers, if you like the channel, follow me, subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notification bell so that when we upload you will be notified. I have cooking videos, health recipe, family, lifestyle. If that's the kind of stuff you want to be seeing, turn on the notification button so that when we upload you will see our videos. Follow me guys on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest. Lady B Varieties is the same name that I use on all the social media handles. So these guys at this junction, once I mixed properly, I will not test for salt. Guys, this soup came out so tasty. And if you want to see how I make the swallow that I use in eating this soup, also check on my channel. You will see it on my channel. So I tasted for salt, I added salt, and I added crayfish, which is the last ingredient, and I gave it a quick stir. Thank you for always returning, guys. I appreciate your love. Keep coming, keep returning, and keep following, share, like, subscribe, and be a member of the family. So what I will do now, guys, I will just cover it and steam it up for 2 minutes. Here it is, ready for consumption. Look at that. This soup is a bomb, guys. It came out so tasty and nice. So here is the finished part. I served myself after work. We enjoy.